especially when playing with his children.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
But he was there, gentle in only way.
Your good day's work.
He was somebody that I always could rely on.
I've been given a message of condolence from His Excellency the President. Yeah. I have given my message of condolence to Honorable Lenny Kiviti. We cannot be here saying the great things that a young soul like Eric, what he has done, and then on the next day we are taking them and we don't know, and they are being taken all over and we don't know where they are, who is taking them. We cannot say we don't know. We are government. We are government.
Wale vijana wamekuwa abducted hapa Embu. Iko kijana anaitwa nani? Huyo kijana alipotea. Isipokuwa ni huyu mheshimiwa anaitwa Mkoji, nasikia akiongea. Kijana wa Embu ametekwa nyara. Mkoji kijana mdogo. Dale nyama igi waramukuwa, huyu ndio anaongea. Gavana wa Embu amenyamaza.